Good morning, students. Class 12A CS students. Today I am going to show you how to use, how to write a data file handling program in your phone ID. Okay, over phone. So I have QPython 3L. If you can see, I have QPython 3L. You can use this or this PyDroid 3. This also works better over phone. I'm opening PyDroid 3 app. I have written a small program over it. I would like to open it. So in internal storage, or you can say in last opened, we may have it. Let me see. New file.py. So this is the small program I have written. You please note down this program in your editor, whatever editor. If you are using laptop or computer, then you may use the Python editor. Write f equals to open a.txt comma r, the genuine read mode. Then you take a string say str, any string variable, because you want to read this a.txt that is already there in your machine, a.txt, and it will read the first 30 character of your file a.txt and put it into a variable str, and after that you have to print that str. So this is the 3 simple steps through which you can create and read from a text file. Now let us run it. For running, I'll use this key button. Okay, so let us run this. So in a.txt I have written this much of text, a, then b, c, v, 3, b, whatever. I just randomly put some text over there. I'll show you, and it is showing it through program by opening that a.txt and reading from it. Okay, so this is the way you can write a simple program. I'll show you what is the content of a.txt and where should I save it so that it will run properly. So click on open, last opened folder. Here in the same folder, see, I have kept a.txt. Can you see a.txt over here? Not only this, I have my program file in this folder also, in new file.py. So the folder in which your program file rests, you have to keep your text file over there, otherwise you may have a problem to run the program. Okay, so this is the way you can okay, I'd like to show you the text stored over there in a.txt, isn't it? So this is a.txt. I want to open it. It is not opening. What's the problem? Oh, for this I want Polaris Office, because it's PyDroid 3. Here you cannot open a text file. So the Office app in my phone is this, and I want to open a.txt. I'm searching for it, so it is not taking. Let me see from where I can open it. Recent docs, and here it is, a.txt. So the contents that are written in a.txt are this random text. Okay, I'll put my name over here. Say I put my name over here so that I can identify, okay, this is the text I have written. Yes, it is open, it has done. So I will just save it. It is saved in that folder. I just close it and go to my PyDroid, and once more I want to run this program. See now what it will be, what the output will be. Okay, it is not because only this much of text it is showing, because let me open PyDroid again, and the folder last opened, new file. Okay, I want to run it now. See here, only 30 bytes I am printing. Okay, if I am giving over 80 bytes, what happened? Let me see. It is showing you the complete file and also my name, because I have just written my name over there and update it. So whatever the file content will be, it will show you that particular portion. So in this way you can just go for a small program. This is today's work, and let us start with some chapters of data file handling. File handling is a very important chapter, and from here you have to do a number of questions. The main thing that you want to learn may be the programming part of it. That's why I am emphasizing on the programming part. Please do the programming. Okay, yesterday I have given you how to open a text file, isn't it? So there are few modes. Okay, please note down. Opening a text file. See, with the open function we have few modes. Please note down their names. Here it is. With the open function you may use closed, encoding, mode, name, and new lines. What these parameters will do, I'll give you later on. while doing programming we'll see. Just list out the names of these parameters with the open function. Just closed, encoding, mode, name and new lines. Now let us see how to use this program within a file. Write down this program. If equals to open, and of course we will open our own created file a.txt, but in append plus mode, a plus mode. Print f dot closed, print f dot encoding, print f dot mode, print f dot new lines and print f dot name, and check the output in your editor. If you have just opened your file, then f dot closed will return false because it is not at all closed, it is opened. Encoding, it is showing. Encoding give you the byte string conversion. So this is actually system output CP1252. मोड, जो फाइल मोड कांस्टेंट हमने यूज़ किया a प्लस, वो शो करेगा. The file mode constant that we have used over here, that is the second argument of open function, that is a plus. Okay, so it will show you a plus. F dot new lines none, f dot name a dot txt, फाइल का नाम शो कर रहा है. ओके, और यहाँ none, and why it is none, because nothing is written in a.txt, but if in your file something is written, it will shown over here. So this is all about a.txt, opening a file. Now come to the next function, closing a text file. Closing a text file. Closing a text file. Close a text file. If you have opened your file and you finished your program accessing, processing, you can use the close function. See, for this you have to write f dot close function. Okay, after this please note down the write method. Give the heading reading and writing into a text file. See the write method. To write into a file, we'll use write method. You don't have to write anything, just list out the method names. Just list out the method name, that's all. Write function and read function. And as the name suggests, write function file में लिखता है और read function file से read करता है. Okay. Now here, as I have shown you earlier also in the program that we have just written, we have used here read function. और अगर हमें फाइल में प्रोग्राम के थ्रू लिखना है तो क्या करेंगे? What should we do? We can use the write function here. For this you have to open your file in W mode or write mode. Okay, don't forget to open your file in write mode. So open the file in write mode, then a line has to be saved in some array. So I have written here line 1, welcome to python.mykvs.in, whatever, welcome to the world of programming, just write that. line 1 में हमने एक line सेव कर लिया है within double quotation you have to write welcome to the world of programming. Okay, and then I want to write this line 1 into my a.txt file. So what we will write is if.write function, and then within bracket I am providing the parameter that is line 1. एक और लाइन लिखिए, line 2, attend your class regularly. लाइन 2 में हमने लिख दिया, लाइन चेंज करके लिखो, we have given over here /n character. Can you see this? The /n character is the line changing character. इससे क्या होगा, फाइल में तुम जस्ट जो लाइन तुम ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हो वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग, ठीक उसके नीचे ये लिखा हुआ, मतलब लाइन चेंज करके लिखा हुआ आएगा. ओके, अटेंड योर क्लास रेगुलरली, एंड अगेन आई वांट टू राइट दिस ऑल्सो इन लाइन 2, एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग जस्ट क्लोज. फाइल को मैंने क्लोज कर दिया है. नाउ अगेन आई एम ओपनिंग माई फाइल, बट in this case I am opening it in read mode because I want to check whether it has written my required lines. And जैसा कि मैंने रीडिंग के लिए लिखा था प्रोग्राम प्रीवियसली, you take a variable and within a file, within a variable you just take the characters. If.read function, use the if.read function, it will read complete file and you just print it. And of course don't forget to close your file. So this is reading and writing a file. Output, it will show you the file contents. Okay, now see, for text file operation, file extension should be .txt and opening mode without b, because b is for binary, and text file handling relevant methods should be used for file handling, for example read and write. Okay, so this is all about file handling with text files. Tomorrow I will show you some more functions of text file. Thank you very much for today.